This video is about removing the replaceable battery. The Lion Cooler has a removable, replaceable, rechargeable battery. It's built into the fridge and it's right here. It has two spring-loaded clips. Simply squeeze those together firmly and then pull. Hold on to the unit and then pull. And here is our battery. It's a 173 watt battery. The battery can be recharged using a separate adapter that's available separate on the ACO Power or the Lion Cooler websites. And that means you can recharge a spare battery away from the unit as a backup. This is fantastic in use of storms, preparation, or just convenience, just like you would with a power tool. Now, you'll see that with the battery removed, the unit will not work. However, you can plug the unit into the wall at this point with the battery removed and the unit will work. That's the way many traditional electric fridges work. The Lion Cooler is the only one with a built-in battery, which means you have cordless power and mobility. So to replace the battery with a new battery or a newly recharged battery, simply reverse the procedure and squeeze together and slot it. I had that upside down, so I'm glad I did that. So here's the connector to match up with the connectors here. So let's turn this the correct way up. Squeeze it together, push and release, and that's firmly in place. You heard a beep, so the fridge is back on.